friends, you are watching Empire of Tech YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to say how to edit videos in KineMaster without any watermark and free without downloading any APK. So let's get straight into the video. Go to KineMaster and click it on the plus button and choose any ratio that's your wish. I am choosing 16:9 and choose background only black and go to layer and select the media and choose your video. I am choosing this video and set this video size, and this video should not touch made with KineMaster, and set it right and same and do the same size both of background and this video and save. And after saving that video, go to Play Store and download app called inshot and open the app. Open the app inshot and click it on video and choose new and choose that video you edited in KineMaster and choose crop button and crop the video. After cropping, click it on right button and save this video. So I saved this video already, so wait, I will show you that video. I will show you that now. Go to library and click it on inshot, and this is that video.